Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now investing can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. In just the next few minutes, I'll break down the basics so that you can start building wealth with confidence, even if you're brand new to investing. I am so happy to have you here with me today. Let's get started. Now at its core, investing is about putting your money to work so that it grows over time. And there are several ways to do this, but let's focus on the most common options. Number one, stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. If the company does well, then your stock's value increases. And if it struggles, the price may drop. Now, stocks have a higher risk, but also higher potential returns over time. Number two, bonds. Think of bonds as loans. You lend money to a company or a government, and they pay you back with interest. Now, these are lower risk than stocks, but also lower returns. Number three, mutual funds, index funds, and ETFs, or exchange traded funds. These are bundles of stocks or bonds that spread out your risk. So instead of picking individual stocks, you invest in a broad market like the S&P 500. Now, they're a great way to build long-term wealth, but with less hands-on management. Number four, real estate. Now, buying property can generate income through rent and long-term appreciation. Now, it's going to be more hands-on, of course, but can be a solid investment strategy. Now, let's talk about diversification, one of the most important principles in investing. Diversification simply means not putting all of your eggs in one basket. And by spreading your investments across different assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate, you reduce the risk of any single investment hurting your portfolio. Index funds, ETFs, and mutual funds naturally provide diversification, making them a great choice for beginners. So how do you get started? Well, it's actually simpler than you think. You want to open a brokerage account, and platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or even apps like Robinhood make it super simple. Start with an index fund, an ETF, or a mutual fund because they require little maintenance and offer long-term growth. They even have the benefit, as we mentioned earlier, of instant diversification. And most importantly, you want to invest consistently. Even small, regular contributions can lead to big results over time. Now, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compounding returns. And this is where your gains generate even more gains over time. Even if you start small, consistency is key. Now, the most important thing that I want you to remember from all of this today is to just get started. Waiting for the perfect time often means missing out on growth. So get started today. And that's going to do it for today's video. A quick snapshot of investing and how you can get started. So what's your plan for investing? Or how are you investing today? Please drop a comment below and let me know. And if you haven't already, please take a moment to like this video, to subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next video. I want to thank you so much for watching. And as always, I encourage you to dream big, to live well, and do great things. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.